y'all, so today we are going to an away game. I've never been to an away game at all here in Japan, but I rode the Shinkansen, so we get to ride that again today. But let me tell you how it even came about. So I was telling AJ I really want to go to away games this year, like just a couple, you know, see other parts of Japan and especially support him through basketball. But the thing is, when it's an away game, he has to be focused on like basketball, doing his away, you know, routine, all that kind of stuff. So it's like I have to be solo dolo. I have to be confident and comfortable that I can do this. So I was like, what's a good one to start with? So he was like, oh wait, we have Kumamoto on the schedule. That's not that far. I was like, where's Kumamoto? He was like, Kumamoto is only like 40 minutes. And I was like, oh wait, I want to go to Kumamoto and I can ride the Shinkansen. So today we're going to Kumamoto. All right. Clearly you kind of get where we're going. Kumamoto. So right now I'm getting ready to go to a coffee shop because I really want to get the vibes going. Like, why not? Let's go to a cutesy coffee shop, really set the tone, and then we have to go to Amu Plaza. Well, not Amu Plaza, but that's where the train station is to get my ticket, and then I have to wait, yada, 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 yada there. So right now I'm at the train station. As you can see, that's the Shinkansen behind me. But I have to tell y'all a funny story when we get on the train because this is my second ticket because I missed the first train. But that's besides the point. Don't judge me. I don't judge you. Let me tell y'all what happened with the first train. So I was walking through Amu Plaza, you know, just strolling because I thought I had all the time in the world. Then I needed to use the restroom. I went to 3 different restrooms and all the lines were super, super, super long. So I'm not paying attention to my phone, not paying attention to the time. Y'all, I missed the first train. I didn't know it until AJ texted me. He was like, hey, did you get your ticket? Are you on the train? And I'm like, what do you mean am I on the train? It's not time. Yes, y'all, it was time for me to get on the train. I missed my train. So then I had to hurry up, go back to the train station, get another ticket, and now I'm on the correct train. But I am on my way to Kumamoto. Okay, no, we're not there yet. We're stopping at Sendai. And then I think it's Kumamoto after. But I'm just playing my little game and waiting. My ears are starting to pop. I bought some motion sickness medicine, but I didn't get any water. I'm just all over the place right now. Me missing my first train wasn't really all in vain, except for having to buy another ticket. But I did get something. They have like a little market out in front of Amu Plaza. So I was like, oh, let me look around when I thought I had all the time in the world. And I got these. It's from a Japanese shop, so it's made in Japan, so I'm happy about that. But it's a little A, and I have a C, and they can clip onto like my bags or whatever I want to clip them onto. I thought these were so cute. Obviously Courtney, AJ, but he's probably not going to use it, so I'm going to put it on something for me. But yeah, I just thought this was so cute, and this is the shop. But right now, they're in front of Amu Plaza at the time I'm recording. I've really been trying to be a little intentional about getting different items that are made in Japan or local to Takashima because I always really want to remember, and when we go back home to the US, I can show people like, oh, this was made in Japan or this was a good memory. Let me tell you what happened. Like now, when I look at these, there will be associated with me missing my train and having to get a second one. And this is the first away game. Oh my gosh, like memories, guys. Memories. Y'all are gonna do the same. Y'all are gonna see it one day. Y'all be like, oh my god, it's felt the fall. But y'all are gonna see it one day and it's like, oh my god, remember that's when you missed your train. But that was also the first away game. Like, wow, great time. I'm in the taxi on my way to the gym. I have my mic on, so if it sounds a little crazy, but I'm trying to, work on the quality because it's a lot going on right now, and I'm talking real low, being respectful. But I'm on my way there. I wanted to stop in their mall and look around. Their Amu Plaza was cute. I was a little jealous, but maybe after the game, I don't know, we might be able to walk around. Oh yeah, AJ's coming back with me, so I don't have to come back by myself. I've made it to the arena. This is a really nice arena. It's really cute. There are a lot of Kagoshima fans, so I don't feel lonely anymore. But I just got comfortable in my seat, so just waiting on the game to start. It's halftime. I've found me some popcorn. It's salt, but that's all I have for now. Right now I'm waiting on AJ. He's getting something to drink from Family Mart, and then we're gonna take the Shinkansen back to Kagoshima. Back in the train station, like I never left. So earlier when I came, I did a reserve seat, so I didn't have to worry about anything. I just know I had a seat and I needed to sit down. With AJ, he does non-reserve, so now we gotta figure it out. We made it back to Kagoshima, but I forgot to show y'all what I got from the little market they had at Kumamoto. It was these little sugar cookies, and they're all designed with cute little Christmas sayings, and this is where it's from. So excited, and these are so cute. I don't really know if we'll eat them because I don't know how long they've been made, but they do make good decoration, so if we do try them, I will let y'all know. Hey y'all, it's the next day, so right now I am making myself some noodles. If you haven't seen my TikTok, go see it, because that was my first time having these. This is the second, and I'm a fan. Right now, I'm waiting on the water to boil because we are going somewhere later. But I had threw my hair up in this little style I saw. I need to wash my hair, so I needed to extend it another day till we get till tonight, and I'm gonna wash my hair so it can look more decent for tomorrow and for the next couple days. Wash day is tonight. So we just needed to get through tonight, and I've already split my hair, so I wanted to keep the little split. But what do y'all think? I think it'll look a little better on washed hair instead of unwashed hair, like last day unwashed hair, because we're at the end of the road here. But really haven't done anything this morning except for cleaned, kind of straightened up, and I've been watching Paris Hilton and Nicole's Encore. This is actually not so bad. I didn't watch The Simple Life growing up. I've always heard about it, but I didn't watch it. So watching this, I mean, it's as close as I'm gonna get to The Simple Life. But I do know what the show is. But this is really good. It's on Peacock, so you should go watch it if you can. Because I know Peacock, they went up on their prices. We got Xfinity, and then, yes, AJ's smiling. He's waving to say hello to everyone. Anyways. So yeah, like I was saying, I was a little upset with Peacock because we have Xfinity, and Peacock came with Xfinity maybe a year or two ago, and then they changed it and you have to pay for it. So, but we paid for it. So we're eating dinner from Lawson. First up, our noodles. I've never had these before, but AJ said he tried them on the road, so he thinks I like them. Rice pilaf, shrimp rice pilaf. I've had this before. I just put it on the stove, warm it up, add me a little seasoning, and this is 10 out of 10. Hot tea because it's cold outside. I just need something to warm my body up. We're gonna get this open and see what it looks like inside. I can already tell it's spicy and there's a pepper on there, so I know it's spicy, and I'm assuming this is level 4. I don't care what cup noodle it is. I really don't like the little meats in it unless it's shrimp. While the water's heating up, I guess I'll go ahead on and try my tea because, fun fact, in the convenience stores, you can also get hot drinks, like ready to drink, and it's hot, it's warm. Well, this is kind of just warm because we had to walk back, but woo, it's lemon. It's some lemon in here, but it's really, really good. Like, I taste the tea, I taste the lemon, but I 100% taste the lemon. I let it sit for a little bit, so now we're gonna try it. But you can literally see the flavor on it, and you can see how red it is. So let's try. And this cup is like really, really hot, so. Woo. It's hot, all right. It's good though. I can get it again, but it's like really, really hot. Hey y'all, so this vlog is gonna be kind of days in my life because we had those other clips, now we're here, and it's been some days in between. But happy New Year's and Merry Christmas, or Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. But I hope you guys had a beautiful holiday. I had a great one. We had family coming to town. I've been present with them, just exploring Kagoshima, showing them around, and kind of what our day-to-day life is here in Japan, because this was everybody's first time coming to Japan. But I am going to take y'all with us today because we're taking a ferry and going to see Sakurajima, the volcano. That's the name of it, Sakurajima, like I'm always showing y'all. We're going to go see her up close and personal, and y'all are going with me. So let's go. So this is my first time seeing an apple ginger ale, so we're gonna get that. Right now we're at Lawson's getting some snacks and something to drink before we start our Sakurajima adventures.
No, have you
Just
seen
a ginger ale apple.
Where you seen trash can it?
That's not bad. It's not bad. I really like the cran apple. No, not cran apple. Ginger ale, cranberry. Holiday time, but this will do. This is going to be first on our list. It's an observatory somewhere up here, but right now we just see that. Right now we're on the city bus and it's taking us to our locations. And right now we're going to the visitor center. Right now we are in the visitor center and we're learning about the volcano, the Sakurajima. Hi. I need you to come with more than hi. Tell the people what's going on. Right now we are in the visitor center learning about Sakurajima and what happens on the island and the erosion. So in college I had a geology class and I learned about erosion and rocks and all that fun stuff. So I know what's going on, you feel me? I passed the class too. This is a natural foot bath and it's heated from the volcano. You can see the steam. Hopefully we're able to get tomato ramen because we tried to come a couple days ago and they were packed out, because I think a good bowl of ramen will warm the stomach, because it is 45 degrees today. It is really, really cold. And ramen just does it every time. From eating at Snoop gonna do it for me every single time. Every time. I love a good tomato ramen with it a little bit spicy. Perfect. But right now I'm getting ready to take my shower and get ready for the evening because I am tired. And tomorrow we might go see The Lion King, so I'm excited about that because I've seen mixed reviews, but I mean, it's The Lion King, like, gotta go see that. But to wrap up Sakurajima, that was really beautiful to see the volcano up close and personal, like see people like live over there. AJ always told us like people live over there and you can kind of see cars and you can just see like little spectacles of things going on over there, but to actually take the ferry, go over there, see it, see the different like little spots. And then we took the bus and that basically took us by each stop. So we didn't get off, but we just rolled and like looked around, and it took us all the way to the top. And they said that was the highest point you could get to be like, not eye level, but as close as you could get to like the top of the volcano. And it was just so beautiful to see Earth, see God's work. So definitely appreciative of today. It was definitely a beautiful, peaceful day. So can't wait for tomorrow.